Made with a unique and antioxidant-rich black rice, packed with vegetables, enhanced with spices, these plant-based patties are wholesome, gluten-free, nutritionally rich, and also aid in weight loss. Welcome to Beyond Bhumi. Black rice rava, prepared from black rice, is going to be used in the preparation of this black rice vegan vegetable patties. Black rice, also known as forbidden rice, is considered a superfood due to its impressive nutritional profile and health benefits. To prepare the patties, I am taking half a cup of black rice rava. The quantity of black rice rava to water should be 1/2 or 1:2. To a saucepan, add 1 cup of water. To this, add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of oil. Oil is optional. Switch on the stove. When the water starts boiling, stir once to dissolve the salt. Reduce the flame and add the black rice rava. Keep stirring on a low flame until the black rice mixture fully thickens. Now switch off the stove and cover with the lid. Set aside for 20 minutes. For this quantity of black rice rava, take 2 carrots. I'm taking 1 small and 1 medium sized. Green beans 7 to 8. For binding, I'm using sweet potato instead of potatoes. I'm taking 1 small portion. You can also add more. Also, I'm taking capsicum, half a capsicum, and around 1/4 cup of cabbage for that extra crunch. You can use any vegetable of your choice or whatever is available at home to prepare this recipe. Chop all the vegetables fine. For half a cup of black rice, I have used 4 times the quantity of vegetables. By eating a variety of colored vegetables, you can ensure that you are getting a wide range of essential nutrients and maximizing the health benefits of your diet. The pigment in each vegetable, also known as phytochemical, has specific health benefits. To prepare the sweet potato, place a pan with water. When the water starts boiling, place the sweet potato in a cup, close with the lid, and cook for 15 minutes or until done. You will know it is done when you can pierce it with a fork. Allow to cool, peel, mash well, and set aside. For binding, I am using roasted Bengal gram or fried Bengal gram dal. To use, powder it in a mixer jar. Fried gram dal is an excellent source of protein. It also gives the patties a firm texture. To prepare the spice paste for the black rice patties, we will need 1-inch piece of ginger, 2 green chilies, 1/4 cup of fresh mint leaves, and 1/4 cup of washed and chopped fresh coriander leaves. You can also add only mint leaves or only coriander leaves. Add all these ingredients to a mixer jar. Do not add water. Grind to a medium coarse paste. Let's check the rice mix. The rice mix has cooled down now. It has become thicker and the rava is almost 3/4 cooked. Now transfer this to a mixing bowl. Because of its chewy texture, black rice is very versatile and binds very well with anything added to it. Add the finely chopped capsicum, green beans, chopped cabbage, carrots, and the mashed sweet potato. Sweet potatoes are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants They are a good source of fiber and have a low glycemic index. Add the ground paste and add 4 teaspoons of the roasted Bengal gram or fried Bengal gram dal powder. Cut 1/2 of a small sized lemon and squeeze the juice. Mix everything well. Compared to other types of rice, black rice has a higher protein content, and along with the protein present in fried gram dal, these patties offer a unique and healthy combination of plant-based proteins. Lightly grease your palms with oil. Take some of the mix and shape into rounds. Then gently flatten them and shape them into patties. Repeat with the rest of the mix. For 1/2 cup of black rice rava and the vegetables used, you get 12 medium-sized patties. Heat a pan. Place the patties. And drizzle around 1/4 teaspoon of oil for each patty. Wait for it to get roasted on one side. Very little oil is being used in this preparation. Turn to the other side. Instead of drizzling oil, you can also apply using a brush, which will help distribute the oil evenly. Keep turning on both sides until it becomes crisp. And with all the vegetables being added and black rice also being rich in fiber, this is ideal for weight loss and at the same time filling too. Transfer to a plate and serve with any chutney or sauce of your choice. You can also prepare it in an air fryer or bake it in the oven. With a crisp exterior and tender inside, and with a satisfying crunch of the abundance of vegetables, combined with the chewy texture of the black rice, these patties make for a wholesome, delicious and healthy choice. If you enjoyed watching the video, press the like button and subscribe to keep posted on more such interesting recipes. Thank you for watching. Would love to hear from you.